I want to bring in Dan Holler, Heritage Action for America Vice President. Dan, you and I have argued. I say on a, I know you're laughing, I say on Obamacare, something, anything is better than nothing. Well, you got your way. We got nothing. I'm not happy.
No, Stuart, I have no idea what you're talking about. Our way wasn't nothing. The Senate bill was imperfect. It had a lot of problems, but it would have begun unraveling the damage caused by Obamacare. That was a decent bill. It was a good first step. The Senate should vote on it. They should proceed and they should debate it. I have no idea what you're talking about. We want the exact same thing in this circumstance.
No, I thought we'd argued in the past about the principle involved, that it must be a flat-out, absolute repeal of Obamacare and do it now. That's what you wanted. And I said, OK, but give me the votes. Show me the votes. Show me that you've got the votes. Because I want something on the books. And right now, we got nothing.
Well, I mean, the fact is the Republican Party is tremendously divided over Obamacare.
Yeah.
They ran on for 7 years on repealing it, but apparently a lot of them misled their constituents and the American people. The challenge is, how do you get 50 senators, 50 Republican senators, to agree to something that actually will begin, not totally, but begin the process of unraveling Obamacare? They got close with the revised Senate health care bill, but they weren't close enough. They need to get back to the table. They need to figure out a way forward on it, and they need to figure out how to lower premiums and unravel that damage. They can't just move on and start bailing out Obamacare.
But odds are we get nothing. I mean, I can list a half dozen senators who are not going to say yes when the vote comes up. If it comes up on Monday, they're not going to do it. I've got 4 on the screen at the moment. I've got Rob Portman, Senator Shelley Moore Capito, sorry, and Senator Lisa Murkowski, Susan Collins. They're all saying, no, not going to do this repeal thing. They haven't got the votes.
Yeah, and they didn't even want to do a partial repeal and partial replace either. The moderate and liberal Republicans in the Republican Party are torpedoing any hope that we have as a nation of undoing the damage caused by Barack Obama. They are a massive problem to getting things done in this town, and they need to understand that they are standing in the way of not only better health insurance, but tax reform and a whole host of other policies that Republicans and President Trump campaigned on.
I'm saying this is a Republican fail, and they better not fail with tax cuts or else. I think we're nodding in agreement on this.
We actually agree on something, Stuart. It's amazing.
Incredible. Come back soon. Dan, thank you very much for joining us. We do appreciate it. Thanks very much, Dan. All right. We've got a new poll.